Hi guys, and also girls. I'm in my basement again, but this time the situation is different. What's different? Because I'm in a surviving situation right now. Why I'm in surviving situation? Because I need to start fire. I need fire for something. I got lots of flammable stuff like woods, boards, some sawdust around the machines, the garbage, but there is nothing that I can start fire with. Got many tools, many tools, but no one of them can start fire. There is more tools over there, and I'm really in surviving situation. Fortunately, I found this thing in my pocket. What's that thing? It's a really small, cheap knife, which I purchased it months ago from eBay for about $6. And fortunately, that knife got firestarter. This firestarter, I really hope can start fire for me. Okay, what else do we need? We need
something like a fireplace. What's the good for fireplace? Yeah, right, this magnet holder will be nice for starting firing. What else? This thing will be good to kill the fire. And also we need some flammable material. Which can be the best flammable material? I think paper towel will be okay for flammable material.
in this video we're gonna try start fire. Everything for starting the fire is prepared. I decided to use gloves. Then I'll rip the fire material. Okay, let's try it. It's $6 knife. Probably need extra tools. There is, yeah, fire. Yeah, I'm gonna kill it now. The special kill. There is, guys and also girls. We made fire, started fire by using these tools, and we're safe. Our surviving situation doesn't exist anymore. We started fire and everything is okay. We'll survive again. That's it, guys. Have a nice night and everything will be okay. Bye. Do you think, people, this knife is good for throwing? And now, not spinning, drop. Yeah, also okay. That's it for tonight. Bye, guys and girls.